Want to grow on YouTube but don't know where to start? Before you upload another video, make sure your channel is fully optimized, especially if you're an African creator trying to stand out in 2025. Here's how to get your YouTube channel ready to go viral in under 2 minutes with this powerful SEO checklist. Step 1. Optimize your channel name and handle. Use keywords related to your niche like hustles, finance, tech, or marketing, and make it easy to remember. Step 2. Write a keyword-rich channel description. Mention your niche, upload schedule, who your content is for, and include keywords like digital marketing, make money online, and South Africa. Step 3. Add a professional banner and profile picture. Use tools like Leonardo AI or Canva to design a banner that highlights your niche. Include the South African flag or new videos weekly. Step 4. Create a featured video or trailer. Use a short, engaging intro telling viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Step 5. Set up relevant playlists. Group your videos into themes like passive income ideas, digital hustles, or YouTube tips for beginners. Step 6. Add your best tags and keywords in the About section. Think like your audience. What would they search? Add things like how to make money online South Africa, freelance jobs Africa, grow YouTube faceless. Step 7. Use a consistent posting schedule. Once per week is enough to build authority and trigger the algorithm. Step 8. Use tools like TubeBuddy or ChatGPT to research high-performing keywords and use those in every upload. Step 9. Enable channel monetization features early. Turn on two-factor authentication, link AdSense, and read the YouTube Partner Program policies. Step 10. Stay active in your niche. Comment on similar videos, join communities, and reply to your own comments. It helps YouTube trust your content. Don't wait until you go viral. Prepare for it now. This checklist sets up your channel to grow with every upload. Speech balloon comment below if you've done all 10. If not, save this checklist and subscribe to Smart Hustles Africa for more digital growth tips.